to issue a circular as early as possible to waive compound interest for loans up to rupees 2 crores, something which already has been proposed by the union government. The top court told the Solicitor General that the common man's Diwali is in the government's hands and asked the government to issue the circular for compound interest waiver at the earliest. Centre had sought more time to compute the interest liability which is to be paid by the union government, which till now, according to estimates, has been placed at around 6,000 crores. The top court has deferred the hearing for the 2nd of November and it's likely that the centre may issue the circular soon. The court had observed that it was not fair on the part of the union government to take a month to implement its decision, given the plight of the common people and the decision already taken by the centre to handhold small borrowers to tide over the pandemic. The Solicitor General submitted that they did not stand to gain by delaying things unnecessarily. Banks were also asked to swiftly implement compound interest waiver, over which the Banks Association urged the court that RBI should ideally issue a circular to effect the government's proposal, and the association also wanted to be heard before the court passes any orders. Petitioners before the top court have urged that the compound interest waiver for small borrowers should be effected at the earliest to ensure immediate relief for them. Appearing for the Shopping Centres Association of India, senior lawyer P. Chidambaram sought to be heard on the Kamath Committee recommendations. Appearing for individual borrowers, senior lawyer Rajiv Datta told the top court that the centre is now speaking about the formalities of circulars by banks on compound interest waiver, and he wanted the centre to rise above these formalities and also sought to stop capitalizing on loans by banks, over which the court observed that they have already passed orders over non-declaration of any NPAs. Also, the Banks Association submitted that the banks have already fallen in line with the government's affidavit. The centre refused to give any particular relief for big borrowers and has already submitted that the Kamath Committee recommendations are already looking into the welfare for big borrowers, and any one-size-fits-all approach cannot be adopted since the Kamath Committee has recommended various degree of reliefs for different sectors, and a similar approach cannot be adopted as part of a mandamus relief. It remains to be seen how early the centre is going to issue a circular over waiver of compound interest for loans under rupees 2 crores.